Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can install a page as an app on your Google Chrome. So maybe you can save the web by a bookmark it, but you need to open the Google Chrome in order to access this website. But instead of using the bookmarks, you can also use this web page as an app that installed on your desktop. So how you can do it? Just simply click three dots beside your profile, beside your account, this one, and search for more tools. And if you don't have the tools, you can go to the save and share and try to search this one, install page as app. You can click it, and this install this page as an app. Apps open in a window. So just one click. Now you can access the web on your home screen, home page, your desktop of your laptop or your PC. Here you can double click. Now page is open with separated with the Google Chrome. Feel free to try it. For watching, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and circle the text button below. See you in the next video.